lot of.
It's like 3 teaspoons.
Is it cold, puppy? Is he up here? No,
He loves it.
I don't care.
He's getting in there with his teeth.
Nasty kid, just get the tongue on it. When he did that, he had to sit there and lick his tongue for a second.
Do you like it? He's got it on his nose. He keeps pushing it with every lick. Brain freeze. Oh, he's got a nice whisker. I think it's gone. Oh, there's a little bit in there. I hope we don't need to measure 1/3 of a cup of anything tonight. Was that good? Yoshi, was that good? Yoshi, was it good? Huh? Was that good? Yes. He's shivering. Got brain freeze? Huh? Got brain freeze? It's all gone.